good at making stir-fried beef with onions and fried rice. Fried rice. Egg. 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 Let's stir it. Cucumber. Be careful not to cut your hand. Delicious fried rice. Let's start the show. Oil. Egg. Cucumber. Rice. I am very hot when cooking. Please be careful. All done. Let's put it on a plate. I am dirty all over after cooking. I need to wash up immediately for a handsome appearance on stage. Ta-da! This is the delicious fried rice I made. Thank you! Thanks for the compliments! Ah! It's my turn! I'm frying pan. I can fry the egg and steak. Which dish am I going? Beef steak. Marinate the beef. Pepper. Salt. La la la. Let's start frying the steak. Butter. Beef. The hot oil may spill out. Be careful not to get burned. Yeah, all done. Let's put it on a plate. Ah, I am dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Look, this is the beef steak I made. Thank you. Yo, yo, yo! We are the happy steamer siblings. We are steamer. We can steam the corn and fish. Steamed fish. Marinate the fish. Salt. Cooking wine. Scallion and ginger. We are going to start steaming the fish. Water. Fish. Oh. Watch out! The steam is really hot. It's well cooked. We are dirty all over. We need to be washed clean.